Hello everyone! It is a good day and I am super excited to share with you how I make this creamy and smooth, but not too sweet blueberry cheesecake. With just a few ingredients and easy to follow steps, only right here at Michelle's Cucina. First of all, let us prepare our mold. I will just cover our pan with plastic for us to easily unmold our cheesecake. When that's done, set it aside. And now let's prepare our crust or the bottom layer of our cheesecake. And it's just very easy. We will just mix some crushed graham crackers and melted butter. You may use margarine, and I am actually using margarine right now because it is cheaper and it is good. I am using buttercup margarine. Let's get back our lined pan and pour our crust mixture. Just press it using a spoon or a cup or anything flat to make it even and compact. Set it aside in the refrigerator and let's prepare our cheesecake. I have here milk that I heated and we will melt our gelatin. Make sure your milk is hot to properly melt the gelatin. For me to be sure that there are no lumps of gelatin, I will strain it. And just set it aside to cool down. In a mixer, I will add in my softened cream cheese. And we will gradually add in our white sugar. Mix it until it is well combined and it has turned smooth. I will add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Continue mixing until the vanilla is well incorporated with our cream cheese. Now I will give it a quick mix with my spatula, and as we can see, it is now super smooth. And let's set this aside. In another bowl, we will whip our all-purpose cream. Let's use our whisk attachment for this. For better whipping of the cream, make sure your cream is chilled overnight, and it is best to also chill your bowl and the whisk attachment. Just whisk it until the cream is light and airy. Once the cream has doubled, add in our cooled gelatin. And whisk it again to properly incorporate the gelatin to our whipped cream. done. Let's get back our cream cheese. And add in our whipped cream. And just slowly mix it. I will just do a quick cut and fold method to make sure that there are no cream cheese sticking at the bottom of the bowl. Cut and fold, cut and fold, cut and fold. That is the cut and fold mixing method. Our cheesecake is done and we will pour this mixture to our crust. Just spread it evenly and smoothen. Let's chill this until the cheesecake is firm. And now, here is our chilled cheesecake. Let us gently unmold it and transfer it into a plate. I will run a butter knife along the edges to at least smoothen it a bit. Now let's top our cheesecake with our blueberry preserve. Feel free to use any fruit preserve that you wish. Just spread it evenly over the top. Voila! Here it is, our blueberry cheesecake. Let's take a slice and taste it. In this recipe, the cheesecake is smooth. I have tried other cheesecakes and sorry to say, this cheesecake is hard and dry. It feels like eating a chunk of cheese. But this, I swear, it is super smooth, it is just light, and the blueberry preserve that I got is not too sweet. Overall, it is just perfect.